What's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. I can't just pop in. But anyways, what's up with y'all, man? It's your boy TazBeGrinding. And yeah. So as you can see, I have not been driving because of all of this. And I am a believer that I will not drive my car in the winter when I have a truck. That being said, here go my babe right here. And look at this. My dad left his broom outside. That's how you know we're in a good neighborhood, because this has been outside for like 2 days, just sitting on my truck. Back to that. I haven't put my truck on the channel yet, but I was thinking about doing so. Things I did recently to my truck. Well, this is my first truck. I got it when I got out of high school. So it's one of the most recent things I did. We put these little headlights in there because the old ones were like smoked and fogged. When I smoked and fogged, they were just old. I have to get some new tires because these are going bald, and for some reason this one just won't hold air. So yeah. As you can see, it's a fixer-upper, you know. Hey, it was getting me back and forth to work, so that's all that matters. It's still a little clean, little 02 truck. It's from 02. What do you expect, you know? As it being my first truck, you know. Excuse the mess, but yeah, put this in there myself, put my 15-inch sub. As you can see, I need to figure out a way, if y'all know a way to let me back of the trunk to get it to stay still. But yeah, if you guys got any recommendations, let me know down in the comments. But as of right now, it's just sitting there like this. If you ask me, it was a good deal. I got this thing for like 2,500 bucks. All right, let's crank it up, man. She never fails me. She starts right up every time. That's why I love this truck. Only thing I had to do for this truck, I put a starter in it and changed the tire rod, what my uncle did for me. But other than that, it was a good deal, 2,500. And if you live in Michigan, you know you need an all-wheel drive car or a four-wheel drive truck, you know. You ain't gonna survive. Oh yeah, if you guys would like to see any videos on the truck, let me know down below in the comments, you know. Because I plan on doing like a lift kit to it and putting some off-road tires. I don't know what kind of tires yet, but just have some fun with the little truck. It's a little cheap truck, so do a little budget build on it or something. Now let's get to what I made this video for. So we got another little mod I'm supposed to put on. No, it's a little oil catch can I'm gonna be putting on today, so do something while it's sitting in the garage. It should be coming out soon. I got something nice coming soon for it, so let's get into it. Okay, I came into a little problem, guys. So since I have a strut tower brace, I have to like unscrew the strut tower brace in order to put my catch can on. So okay, so if you guys got a tower strut bar or a tower brace, whatever you call it, you have to remove it so you can put the oil catch can on. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, now you can put it on. That sounds pretty snug. At last, we got it mounted, you guys. Boom. Okay. So now, actually, with the tower brace, the strut tower brace, it actually looks pretty clean. You can't even see it for real. It's like under there, but yeah. So everything's working fine. And yeah, there's already there. Yeah. I got some more stuff coming for you guys soon. I'm also dropping a story behind my channel and everything, so you guys can get to know me a little bit better. And you know, so yeah, be looking for that soon. So peace.